This jackass used to park right outside my front door and leave his engine idling while he did his paperwork or talked on the phone or played with himself. Until I got so fed up I just started to go out screaming at the son of a bitch. Now he thinks it's just fine to just park around the corner and leave your truck idling illegally there. Just came out of the Harborview terminal where there's signs all over the place that say don't leave your engines idling. They fucking ignore the signs. The terminal manager ignores the signs, ignores the trucks, and so does the DEP. That lot right across the street from where he's parking is Walker Construction. And those jackasses leave their trucks running in the street and in the lot 10, 20, 30 minutes, an hour. Fuck you, you motherfucker. Fuck you.